Today we are going to learn sound of vowel EA words. Good? EA words. First of all, we are going to learn EA is pronounced as E. There are two types of sound. The first EA is pronounced as E. Good? E. The second EA is pronounced as A. This A. Yes. Now, first of all, we are going to learn EA is pronounced as E. Good? B E A K. Beak. P E A K. Peak. W E A K. Weak. B E A T. Beat. H E A T. Heat. M E A T. Meat. N E A T. Neat. S E A T. Sheet. B E A S T. Beast. F E A S T. Feast. L E A S T. Least. C R E A M. Cream. Good. D R E A M. Dream. S C R E A M. Scream. Good. In that way we are finished E sound that is pronounced as E. Now we are going to learn E is pronounced as A. Good. H E A D. Head. B R E A D. Bread. D R E A D. Dread. T H R E A D. Thread. S T E A D. Stat. G R E A T. Grat. Good. S W E A T. Sweat. What is sweat? You know about this? Pasina. Okay. B R E A. Brack. B E A R. Bear. P E A R. Pear. W E A R. Where. Y E A R. Ear. In this way, we are finished our EA word sound. Good. Bye-bye.